Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this video on ClickFunnels and how to get started as an affiliate. My name is Judd Albring and thank you so much for being here. Real quick, a little bit about me. I have been using ClickFunnels for over a year now as a digital marketer, running Facebook ads for clients, mainly local business owners. And I just started on the affiliate journey a little over a month ago, and I absolutely love it. I wish I would have started over a year ago. I keep kicking myself every day because it is such an amazing, amazing program. So some of the real key benefits for being an affiliate for ClickFunnels, number one is you get 40%, okay? And you get 40% of everything you sell lifetime. So it's recurring, okay, month after month after month. So the basic program is $97, which means you get $38 every month as long as that person is a user. Okay. And the cool thing about that is most people that are signing up for ClickFunnels, these are entrepreneurs, business owners. So they're starting a business or they're improving their business. So their plan is to keep using this and to keep making money online and keep growing their business. So people do not leave ClickFunnels, and it's an amazing tool. And if you do this program the right way, the affiliate program, which is you're a ClickFunnels user yourself and you promote the software, you can then provide training and value and resources to people and really truly build a business out of this, which is fantastic. And that's what I'm learning more and more. It's starting to become more of a business to me, the affiliate side, and I absolutely love it. So ClickFunnels as a whole, guys, tons and tons of support. There's a great ClickFunnels Facebook group here where you can get tons of questions answered, find out what some of the top people are doing in this group. So very, very cool, very smart people. I'll put some links below. I'm also going to put a link below, guys, to some free ClickFunnels training and affiliate marketing training with ClickFunnels for you. So the first thing to do, what I recommend when you get started, guys, is to join the affiliate bootcamp. It's absolutely free. And what it is it's a 100-day action plan as an affiliate. So if you see here, you get day 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, keep in mind, it goes up to 13 or 12 days of actual video training, but then you get emails and stuff for the next 90 days, whatever it is. So it's actually an action plan to take you from day 1 to day 100. So that you can get to 100 affiliates. What's cool about this is when you get to 100 affiliates, not only are you making $3,800 a month, okay, assuming you hit that goal, results may vary, but you also get $500 towards a dream car. So they give you $500 towards your own car, which is fantastic. And you can actually see ClickFunnels Dream Car winners. I can put a link for that as well. Or you can see some of the cars these people are winning. It's very, very cool. And then if you actually hit 200 affiliates, you get, guess what? You get $1,000 towards a dream car. So this is really, really cool stuff here, guys. If you know anything about Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, these guys love their affiliates. They love helping you. They love promoting it. And ClickFunnels is a tool that you need as an affiliate. You need a hub to grow your business. You need landing pages, sales pages. So that's where I recommend you start, guys, is the affiliate 100-day program. Again, it's free to sign up. Now, what I'm going to show you here, guys, is the ClickFunnels affiliate backend. Okay. And they have a lot of trainings and a lot of programs. So you have some programs that are $1,000, $2,000 plus, and you get 40% commission for that. Now, it's not reoccurring revenue, but it's still a big payout. Also, Funnel Scripts, which is a software program they have, which is right around a $500 program, you get 40% of that. So you can see here, which is very, very cool, is you can do all your different sub IDs here. So if you're really into tracking and everything, which you should be, you can do all your tracking here. You can, look at all your different numbers. It's cool here. It shows you, okay, here's your monthly recurring revenue. Here's people that are trialing. Here's people that are currently trying. So it gives you all the breakdown of everything. And again, I just started promoting this, guys, but within 30 days doing nothing but just shooting some videos, sending out some emails, $237. And if you can see here, 196 of that is reoccurring. So $196 a month, guys, every month. And I don't do anything more than my work is done there. Obviously I want to keep my people happy, but ClickFunnels takes over. Once I bring people into the ClickFunnels community, ClickFunnels, I mean, these guys are master marketers. Russell Brunson is a master marketer. He's going to email these people every day, day in and day out, day in and day out. But at the same time, ClickFunnels is also going to provide you, when you take this 100-day training, they're not only going to provide you with the tools to be a successful marketer, affiliate marketer, They're also going to give you the templates that you can use. They're going to give you all the email follow-up sequences where you can just literally plug and play and put them into your email sequence. Everything's done for you. It's your job to get the traffic, and that's either through a blog, through videos like this, through your website. Maybe you already have an email list. There's so many different great ways to do it. You can do paid traffic if you want. So really, really cool stuff. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. And you can see here you have all these great tools you can promote. My recommendation is do the affiliate bootcamp training. I'll put the link below. It's absolutely free. If you're not a ClickFunnels user, get on ClickFunnels. It's a 14-day trial. It doesn't matter what you do, what kind of business you have. This software is going to compel you to the next level. That's a promise. You got nothing to lose. You got a free 100-day training and you got a free 14-day trial. All right, guys. Also, I'll put the link below. And if you do sign up for the ClickFunnels trial, I'm going to send you guys my free ClickFunnels training, my affiliate training, and my Facebook ads course. So take advantage, guys. Information below. Take care.